Hello everyone, Chris here with a quick rundown of my equipment for video recording. Okay, so most of the stuff that I got in here that I'll show you, it's been purchased on Amazon, and I'll make sure that I'll put the links in the show notes so you guys can, if you're interested, you can purchase straight from Amazon. So we'll start from the right side in here. So this is my audio setup. So this is the DJI MIC Mini, and so I purchased it on Amazon last year in December actually, so I've cut it for a while. It came in this little pouch, and inside there was the receiver. The receiver's got a USB C adapter, which is removable as well, and it is on the back. It has a little clip that you can attach to clothing. So with this connector, you can plug it in onto a laptop, such as I use for video editing. I use my MacBook Pro as one of them, and you can just connect straight to the side, and they will transmit or receive from the audio from the microphone itself. So the microphone, there's nothing to it. It's pretty small, pretty good, very light. On the back there's a magnet, a removable magnet that you can attach to your clothing. It's very strong. I've taken it outside many times, and there's never any concerns about it falling off, or even when I go for a jog. To turn it on and connect it to other devices is pretty straightforward. In this button, if you press and hold, you can connect to any Bluetooth device as opposed to connecting to the receiver. The last thing that came in the package was this, which is just a little port to charge the microphone itself. It's all magnets, and you just go straight on top of it. As such, magnet is very powerful, and it's just like that. It just connects. Okay, so that's the audio section. Now to the video. I'm recording this video with my iPhone 16 Pro, and from Amazon I bought the ENCASED, which I've actually already made a review about this. This is very good because I can record POV just by attaching. I'm not going to show it now, but basically it just attaches to the iPhone, and I can wear it on my belt or anywhere that I can clip this on, and I can record POV. Very good. I'm very happy with it. Very sturdy. The other one is the DJI OSMO NANO. A very good camera, fairly small, compact camera. I've made an unboxing video about this camera. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. It records great footage in 4K. It is, if I turn it on, so this is the top. At the bottom there's the camera where you can monitor what you're recording. I'll quickly unconnect this. So yeah, you can monitor. It's pretty good. You can face the camera forward and look at it, or you can face it to yourself as such. Yeah, very good camera. These are the two sections of the mic part of the main camera on the main device. The setup is very quick as well. I can connect straight into the microphone, sorry, not with this part, but with the microphone, the DJI microphone as well, via Bluetooth, by connecting, like I mentioned before, on this button. Press and hold, there will be a blue and green light flashing, and from there you can then connect to the camera. Now the only thing, the downside to it, is that once the microphone is connected to the camera, you can no longer monitor the video. The screen will switch off for some reason, I don't know why, but that's just a negative side of it. What else came in the box was, this is a little adapter, connects straight to the bottom of the camera, such, and you can attach this to a cap. You can wear it on top of your head to film POV. Very good, very sturdy as well. Yep. Another connector is this one. Connects the same way, straight on the bottom of the camera, and it's got as a suction cup, and you can plug it, you know, very strong suction. You can basically have it virtually anywhere, really. The last thing that came in the package, it's this necklace, which is a magnet, and you can wear it around. You can wear the camera around your neck as such. Very strong as well. You can go for a jog, you won't fall off. Another thing with the camera, it has a magnet, so you can attach it anywhere. It is not in here, but for example, if I show you my fridge, yeah, you can safely attach to any metallic area, and you can record and monitor from the receiver, the monitor screen here. Okay, so moving on to lighting. So I got these LED lights from Amazon as well. It comes with a lot of different filters, different colors, green, white, red, blue. I'm wearing the blue ones because, well, it's just a preference, I guess, but you can use any. Yeah, it's got different levels of intensity. Yeah, it's very cool to have, just to improve your lighting when I'm recording. This is the other one, came in a pair, same deal. Yeah, same deal. Very good. You can, it has a telescopic tripod. You can adjust to different lengths. I think this is the maximum that it goes up to, which is about 1.4 meters. The next piece of equipment is the selfie stick. Now, I really like the selfie stick. It's fairly good. This is it actually goes a bit higher. This goes quite a bit. Oh, maybe it's sort of like almost the same height as the lights. Got these clips in it that can easily put my phone on. It comes with a little remote on the bottom. I'll put this down. So right on the bottom here is a little remote where I can connect to my phone and then, you know, take photos. If I put it all the way down, I can just carry it. There's a selfie stick. Very cool. And it was fairly cheap as well. I'll put the link, like I said, in the video. You guys, if you guys are interested. And then the connections or the power. This is from Amazon as well. I initially purchased these. I'll take this. Plug these here. I initially purchased these to power up my MacBook Pro because I lost the charger. So I had to buy these to charge the laptop, which yeah, works really well. Doesn't overheat like a lot of them do. I had bought a different one as well from Amazon, but I had to return it because it just burned out within a couple of days. It got really hot. Well, with this one, I've had it for a few months, quite a few months actually, and it works really well. Charges the laptop as you should. Charges the iPhone or any phone really via USB C, and then it's just as a normal USB charging point as well. Yeah, very good. It's called an ANKER. The other thing that I bought was these charging cables. Very good material, very strong, very solid, and I particularly like it because there's an LED light. If I turn this on quickly, you'll see what I mean. So as it's charging, there's an LED light that comes on. So 100 watts it says, and yeah, it does the job. All right, so this is all my gear. It's still growing. Like I just keep buying stuff to improve my recording abilities and the quality, but so far this is what I've got to make my videos. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you do, subscribe so I can keep posting some good informative videos for you guys. All right, see you. Bye bye.